Okay, so in part D and E of this exercise, part D says we're going to be measuring angles, and part D says to measure angle ABC. So that would be this big obtuse angle right here. And this is ABC, and this is A prime, B prime, C prime. And so we're going to measure these angles, and I'm going to use my protractor. For the big one, so I'm going to line up my crosshairs right here at the vertex of the angle. So the first line of it is on 0. So I'm going to come all the way around here to my line. I can see the line from my triangle right through here. And that is at 100 and, well, I measured it off camera and it was 109. No, it wasn't. It was, where is it here? Let's get it right on. There's a lot of room for error in measuring these angles. So let's see what we got. So here's 105, 106. So angle ABC is 106 degrees. So let's write that over here. The measure of angle ABC, is approximately, I'll put equals, 106 degrees. All right, and I want to measure, actually that was A prime, B prime, C prime that I measured first. Okay, so now we're going to measure ABC down here on our smaller triangle. And again, I'm going to place my compass so that my 0 line is on one of the, whoops, sorry, can't see, one of the legs here. And then it opens up all the way around to here. And you can see on my compass that it opens out. And notice what I've done is I've lightly drawn this line extended so that I can read it on my protractor. And when I measure it, I get, if I line it up properly, I get that 106 again. So it's 106 degrees. So let me put that on here. So the measure of angle ABC in my original triangle is 106 degrees. So what do I notice? The angle measures are equal. And I could say even more than that. The corresponding angle measures are equal. Okay, so we're going to verify that by measuring all 3 angles in the triangle. So we're going to measure BCA, or B prime, C prime, A prime, compare it to BCA, and then CAB and CAB. So for mine, I got the following data that I did write somewhere. I got that the measure of angle BCA was equal to the measure of angle B prime, C prime, A prime, and that was BCA was 39 degrees on mine. And then the measure of angle CAB was equal to the measure of angle C prime, A prime, B prime, and that was equal to 35 degrees. 35 degrees. I kind of did a little adjusting, so my total angle degrees here are 106 plus 39 plus 35, which does come out exactly to 180. How nice. So that's what we've got. We've got the angles don't change. So it says, what does that mean in terms of dilations with respect to angles and their degrees? Dilations preserve angle measures. Angle measures. And that's the whole idea behind same shape, right? Same shape, different size. The segments grew, they grew, but the angles remained the same size. So I can have the same shape, but a different size, either bigger or smaller. Okay, so let's look at the next thing.